What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul. In today's video we're donating a nice Foxbody roller to a young man, so let's go. So let me give you a little bit of a quick backstory on this 4i Foxbody roller. I acquired it a few weeks ago from my friend Justin D'Souza. He is a great guy, and this donation, of course, wouldn't have occurred without him. So shout out to Justin. There is one more person that I'm gonna tie into this story, but let me tell you how this unfolded. So I had a few ideas and a couple of different thoughts what I was going to do with the 4i, and then by coincidence, Cassius Rudder reached out to me and said, hey, if you know anybody that has a roller, we're looking for one. So I kind of thought, okay, this is interesting. So I asked him who it was for, and he basically told me that himself and his dad was looking for his little brother, and they want to surprise him for Christmas. And when I heard his little brother was 14, that kind of pulled on the heartstrings, and I kind of decided at that point, you know what, I'm gonna pay it forward and donate the roller to Cassius. Now, shortly after that conversation, we were just wrapping up our waffle with the blue notch that was won by Corey Somerton. And I was kind of just telling him what was unfolding with Cassius and his little brother, and that kind of inspired Corey. So Corey, out of nowhere, decided, you know what, he wanted to add to the cause as well. And he donated some beautiful pony wheels that he had up for sale. And of course, I was shocked by Corey's generosity and his willingness to pay it for it as well. So huge shout out to Corey Somerton. Check out his excellent Instagram page, 519 Foxbodies. He does a really good job on there. And now we're basically on our way to meet Cassius and his dad to pick up the car. So we'll see you guys there. All right, so here's the Foxbody. You know what, guys? It's in really good shape. Of course, it's not perfect, but you know, for a 14-year-old to get started, she's looking pretty straight. She looks good, nice and solid. And these quarter windows in really nice shape. Obviously somebody's changed the wing at some point, and yeah, there's a little bit of work inside to do, but you know, it's going to be a nice little project. Even the door opens nicely, so you get some black interior. So you know what, it's all workable, doable. He is also going to be getting the motor. It does have a little raw knock, but you know what? It's a good little start. You got the heads. She rolling. Perfect.
We got dry shaft.
Little start, yeah. Deadlift.
Like it. Down from the basement, like outside. Wait. That got caught. strap it? Yeah, no, I'd strap it.
We can't be getting those Timberlands all
That's what I'm
mucked up,
trying to
eh?
do. Trying to avoid getting them.
Yeah, I know. I see that. Whoa. Got the car loaded up. A little bit of a challenge getting it up on the trailer with the you know, flat tires and whatnot, but we got it done. I know they're super excited about the car, and that's it for today. But I'm gonna continue the video because Cassius still has to come up and pick up those pony wheels. So we'll pick up the video from there.
Why is the fuel car on the back?
I don't know.
Oh my god. What is this?
This is your car.
No.
Yes.
What?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Oh, thank you guys. Wow.
You like it?
God. Yes, I like it, of course.
Can't believe it, eh?
No. Yeah, it's gonna take a minute, isn't it?
It's already got welds on it. Like the videos?
Yes. Wow. Does it run?
There's no motor. No motor in it yet.
That's okay.
You're gonna build your engine by that time.
So you got to build a motor, clean up the interior.
Get in it, man. See how you feel
Just
in
sit
it.
in it. Seats are comfortable.
See? Everything inside is going to get fixed, and whatever needs to be resprayed will be resprayed. It'll be all done by the time you're ready.
Oh yeah, you have your 8 thing ready. So when do you make car anymore?
Won't need your car anymore.
We're going 11s in no time, don't worry.
Oh yeah. Cash, is that my mechanic? Thank you guys so much.
No
You're
problem.
very welcome.
Were you surprised? You had no idea?
There's your keys.
No, I had no idea.
You got your skinnies. Put a nice drag radial on there for you. So here's the question. Do you want it to look like Dad's car?
Like your car. I'll make a car like Dad's car later.
Oh my God.
Yes! All right, tailpipes are coming
It's going
off.
to be a great surprise for the little brother for Christmas. Other than that, don't forget to join the new Facebook group, Paul DaFox, 50 Posse. You know what to do. Give the video a like, drop in a comment, smash the subscribe button. You guys know we appreciate all of you and your support. And we'll see you again here on Paul DaFox.